Bismillah. What's up, guys? So today I wanna do YouTube till I turn old. The reason why I'm doing this YouTube channel is because I'm struggling in my life. But besides it, in life you always have to look for something new, something that you know that you're capable of doing and you can do it. Like for me, I know and before anything can be given to me, I need Allah in my life. But besides it, I was planning on getting myself this PC, but it's hard to get the PC. Like PCs are very expensive, but I'm trying. On the moment now, I do have couple of money to get a PC to get started, to buy me a webcam, to get whatever needed. But I know that this video and the video to come that I'm still gonna be making, I know, but I'ma look back the same as like Mr. Beast said, 10 years from now. But for me, 10 years from now, I don't know when's it, 20 what. I'm I'm gonna be living a life I always dreamed of, but stop blah blahing the whole time. That's all I wanted to say. I think YouTube is my way of getting myself out of a situation I'm living in, and I'ma try doing more YouTube videos regularly. For the one watching this video, I hope you sub and like to my video. 10 years from now, I don't know when's it gonna be. I'm gonna be living a life, bruh. I'm gonna be meeting all these big A's. Sorry about that. I'm be meeting all these cool people. My dream is to meet IShowSpeed, and that's all I wanted to say. 10 years from now on, 10 years from now on, my sub goal for 10 years from now on, it has to be over 100k or between 300k or 500k or maybe a million. Never know. But I'm not saying high because I don't have equipment to get there yet. I only have my phone right now and the little monies I get. So 10 years from now on, I'll be having 500k subs, and that's my prediction. Peace out.